Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making potato salad. So first I have my yellow potatoes boiling behind me, and I like to use my pawpaw's potatoes from the garden, and I'm going to boil them really well, like almost overdone, because I like them really soft and really easy to mash and everything. Now I'm going to dice up a red bell pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to chop up 4 green onions. The 2 celery sticks, and trying to focus on chopping up the widest part of them. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside. Okay, so now I'm going to drain my potatoes and then add them, and then dice them and add them back into the pot. And when I'm dicing them, I'm going to dice them pretty small. This is a warm potato salad recipe, and so that's why I'm dicing them and putting them back into the pot quickly. So this is about how small I diced them. You can also peel the potatoes while you're over there, but I like to keep mine with the skin in. So now I'm gonna add about half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of honey mustard, and all of the vegetables chopped up. I'm going to add in salt and sweet paprika. Yeah, I'm gonna add in about 1/4 of a cup of zucchini relish. I don't think I got enough of the relish part. Okay. I also wanted to say that the zucchini relish is homemade. So if y'all would like to see a video on that, that is definitely something that I would be interested in making. And my Mimi and Papa make it, so I can get that recipe from them. Because I'm not sure if you can buy zucchini relish anywhere. I'm sure you can, but that one's just homemade. I'm gonna mix that in. Transfer this to a serving bowl. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of that sweet paprika on top. Bacon bits are optional, but I'm gonna add just a couple things of bacon bits on top. This is what it looks like. This is my Mimi's recipe, and it is so good. I'm so excited to share it with y'all. So bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to be entered in the giveaway that I will announce on my 20th video. Bye.